I want to talk about week 4 assignments. There's 3 week 4 assignments. There is a traditional quiz. There's what I call the Excel quiz, and there's also a discussion board post. And then on top of that, just kind of more for information for now, I placed this document there. It's not due until towards the end of class. So I'll keep talking about it, but I thought I should get everybody kind of thinking about this now, and I'll provide more information down the road, and I'll do another video and whatnot about this. But I thought I should just at least get it out there for everybody to look at, because number one, I want you to choose a publicly traded company. And I'm going to do a video where I'm going to go find a company, find its reports and financials, bring those up and show them to everybody. But I want you to be thinking about what you want that company to be now, and I'd like you to shoot me an email with the company that you're choosing, whatever company it is, as long as it's publicly traded. And the key for me is I want everybody to choose a different company. There's 8 of us. I just want there to be 8 different companies that we all look at. So I just don't want 4 of you to choose the same thing. So that's the only reason I'm asking for you to let me know. And so it's going to just be first come, first serve. Whoever lets me know first wins. And then I'll just continue to maybe run a list or update everybody about what's available and who's doing what at some point. But I will provide more information. I just thought now is a good time, with about 4 weeks left of class, to get the ball rolling and get you thinking about this. And so you're going to analyze a company's financial statements, its annual report, and it's very high level analysis, by the way. You're not getting into the nitty gritty by any means. But I want you to just do a summary of what the company is. You know, what's their product, who was the company, when were they founded, size, location, what do they make or produce, or services provided. Then I want you to talk about the industry that it's in, and talk about, you know, is this company competitive in the industry? Is it set up to do well in this industry? Maybe the answer is no to that, but just talk about the industry. And then do an evaluation of the financial condition based on a ratio analysis. And I have to provide more information about that yet, and I will. I'll give you some info about ratios and whatnot, so that's up and coming. And then also do a chart listing the current market price, and then showing a history over the last 3 years, and again, more information coming. And then do a conclusion about this. Should we buy this company's stock? Should we buy its bonds? Yes or no? Why? Just, it was kind of your analysis of the company, both now and just in the future. Is this company positioned to do well, or do you think they might fail, or just kind of be so-so? Whatever that is. So I will provide more info up and coming, but I just for now want you to think about what company you want to choose, and just shoot me an email and say, I want this company, first come, first serve. If it's taken, I will let you know. And maybe you want to give me 2 or 3 just as an example, just to think about. So publicly traded companies, meaning we can go and buy its stock. All right, so with the assignments this week, as I mentioned, there was 3: discussion board, quiz, and what I call the Excel quiz. And the Excel quiz is opening up this spreadsheet first, and then going in and answering 2 questions in Blackboard with the right answer. So this deals with, whoops, didn't mean to click on that, there we go. This deals with EMC Corporations has never paid a dividend, so we're going to calculate their free cash flow. And I talk about how to do this in the PowerPoint. So if you upload the just open up the PowerPoint and watch my video, you'll be fine. And also it shows a growth rate and what the WACC of 12% is. So we just want you to go and value the company based on this. So using the free cash flow formula right here, which is 1 plus G divided by the WACC minus G. And if you do that, that will give you the answer. So it's just a matter of calculating this. Okay, and the growth rate is 5%, the WACC is 12%, and free cash flow is 400,000. So it's just a matter of doing that. So I just put it in Excel. If you want to use this Excel spreadsheet to actually do the math, do a calculator, doesn't really matter. It's just, it's here. So once you get that answer, then you open up the quiz in Blackboard and choose the right answer. I gave you 4 potential answers, and the right one of those is the right answer. Then I kind of do the same thing here, just different numbers, different company. It says here Riddell Global Operations. Current free cash flow is 707.55. Growth of 6% is expected. and the WACC is 11%, what's the estimated value of their operations? So basically, same thing, same formula, same, just different numbers. So go through, do the same thing, go back, answer the question in the Excel quiz. So don't open that Excel quiz until you've done this worksheet, you feel like you're okay with it. Then go back, open the quiz, answer the 2 questions, and you're just fine. The other quiz is just 10 questions, 1 point each, like I've been doing for most of the chapters so far, or most of the weeks so far. And then, of course, a discussion board. Any questions, just let me know. More information will be up and coming in the future about the final project. I want to make sure everybody has plenty of time to work on that, but I just want you to think about it now, think about your company, let me know, and all will be good. Thanks.